Well, this afternoon, we're seeing a lot of sunshine, maybe a few kind of wispy, thin clouds out there. Otherwise, we're already warmer than we were than at this time yesterday. Temperatures in the low to mid 50s in northwest Arkansas, some upper 40s and lower 50s in the River Valley, especially in eastern Oklahoma. Poto already close to 60 degrees, so quite a bit different. And one of the bigger reasons it's been a lot warmer is due to that pretty strong southwest wind. It's not as strong kind of in the I-40 corridor, especially on the Arkansas side of things, but we're seeing some decent gusts in eastern Oklahoma and then northwest Arkansas as well. So we'll continue to see that through the afternoon hours. We'll see those gusts anywhere between, let's say, 20 to 25 for northwest Arkansas. And the I-40 corridor of the River Valley, more about maybe 15, close to 20. Those winds will stay decently strong overnight. Now, you see this uptick overnight. I'm not expecting that, but 20 to 25 still could be a possibility for us overnight. Then as we go into the day tomorrow, we're going to see the wind shift from the southwest to out of the northwest. That's because a very weak cold front will move in. I shouldn't say weak because the winds are going to pack a punch, but we're not going to see any precipitation out of it besides maybe a very stray shower very early Wednesday morning. Most of us are going to be dry. And then as we head into Wednesday morning, we're also going to see not much of a cool down either, but it is going to bring pretty strong winds. Notice mid to late morning hours, we're going to see gusts as high as 30 to 35 miles per hour, and this will be area wide. But once we get into Wednesday afternoon, early evening, those winds start to really die off, especially after sunset. And then they'll be pretty light overnight Wednesday before picking back up again on Thursday. So we have a few kind of breezy days here and there, but it is going to be pretty mild, including tonight where low temperatures are in the upper 30s and low 40s with mostly clear skies, so about roughly 10 degrees above normal. Then for tomorrow, high temperatures again slightly cooler in northwest Arkansas, about the same in the River Valley. We'll have a little bit of cloud cover to start and then mostly sunny skies during the afternoon. Now, in terms of precipitation here, it's backed off a little bit for Saturday. We do have a light, very spotty rain chance for Saturday. It's not expected to be much, but something to keep an eye on. Otherwise, though, the rest of the 7-day forecast is pretty dry. But what is going to be also dry is this very cold Arctic air that, yes, it is originating from Siberia, has moved through the Bering Strait to Alaska, and is now going to settle into the United States later this week. So we'll show you this kind of direction here. Thursday, we're going to see it kind of cross the U.S.-Canada border and head down to the upper Midwest. Now, through Saturday, we're looking pretty good. Saturday morning, 40 degrees. That's not bad. But once we get into Sunday morning, that's when the cold air starts to pool in, and that's when the wind chills really pick up. So Saturday morning, again, not too bad. Sunday morning, wind chills in the teens in northwest Arkansas, mid-20s for the River Valley. Then Monday morning, upper teens and low 20s across the region. But it's brief. Tuesday morning, we're back to normal lows in the 30s, and then we'll see it warm back up. So again, as we head through the rest of the 7-day forecast, things are looking pretty mild through Friday. Some windy, gusts at times. Saturday, a very light rain chance, but we're not expecting any wintry precip out of this. But that snow, or I shouldn't say sorry, we're not expecting any snow. That cold will be here starting Saturday night into Sunday. Again, could be pretty chilly Sunday morning and Monday morning for warming back up as we head into the middle of next week.
Well, I guess it's kind of unfortunate for people who were hoping for some flurries this weekend.
I don't say I want a white Christmas, and I know that's maybe a hot take around here. I just want something that'll be not very impactful. But yeah, this air is just so dry. It's just not enough to produce any snowfall, but it is going to be very dry air. So have the lotion, have the moisturizer, have the chapstick. I know I got burned by that last time, so I'm making that note for you guys when it does come this upcoming weekend.
Yeah, well, we can deal with it for now, but maybe by Christmas.
Just a little bit, Claire. That's all I'm asking.
I hope so.